The Hillsborough County NAACP is also weighing in on the shakeup at the state attorney's office.
The president telling ABC Action News she does not agree with the governor's decision to suspend Andrew Warren.
Our civil rights have been violated. The voters spoke. The voters asked for it, asked for him rather, and our civil rights have been violated.
Well, that said, until the dust settles in Warren's fight for his former position, the Hillsborough County NAACP also tells us they will work with the acting state attorney.
ABC Action News reporter Rochelle Aline joins us now in the studio with more on how that work has already begun. Rochelle?
Well, earlier this week, the acting state attorney and her chief of staff actually sat down with the president of the NAACP to talk about many concerns, including a controversial bike policy.
The Hillsborough County NAACP says a shakeup at the Hillsborough County State Attorney's Office is leading to mixed emotions.
Fear. Where do we go from here? This has pushed us back.
And they add that a recent memo from the acting state attorney isn't helping. In it, Susie Lopez promised to undo policies from her predecessor, Andrew Warren, claiming that he would choose not to prosecute certain cases without reviewing a single fact in the case. She went on to cite Warren's stance on the controversial Tampa police policy nicknamed biking while black as an example. That TPD policy claimed to cut down on crime and increase bike safety by stopping cyclists who were riding bikes without proper safety gear or with someone on the handlebars. However, after complaints from the community, a 2016 Department of Justice analysis found that the policy disproportionately impacted black bikers and even led to citations, charges, and arrests in some cases. In a statement, Andrew Warren disputed Lopez's claims. He also provided a copy of the policy, which shows that attorneys were asked not to file charges in bike or pedestrian stops if that was the only offense a person had committed. It's a lengthy back and forth that the NAACP says has left the community in limbo.
Riding a bicycle is a form of transportation for a lot of African American people in our community.
To help ease tensions, Lewis tells us acting state attorney Susie Lopez met with her earlier this week to talk about the biking policy, among other things.
She was very open and she didn't make any promises, but she did want to have a working relationship with the NAACP.
But to create trust and calm fears, Lewis says the state attorney's office still has work left to do.
They have to come with an open mind. They have to be ready to have the open and candid conversation. They have to realize and understand that the scales of justice is really not balanced.
And to read full statements from Andrew Warren and Susie Lopez and to read that full biking policy, you can head to abcactionnews.com. In the studio, Rochelle Aline, ABC Action News.